Hey there, fellow health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Pharmacist Online, your ultimate source of information for all things related to medication and pharmacy. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button and join our growing community of healthy and informed individuals. In today's video, we're tackling a problem many of you have faced: a short supply of Ozempic 0.25 milligrams pen in your country. But don't worry, we have a solution for you. Keep watching to learn how to get that 0.25 milligrams dose from a 1 milligram pen. So you've got your hands on an Ozempic 1 milligram pen and want to extract a 0.25 milligrams dose. We've got you covered. Here's what you need to do. First things first, we need to understand the mechanics of the Ozempic 1 milligram pen. This bad boy contains a total of 74 clicks. Now, let's do some click counting. Count from the first click, or 0, to 18 clicks and mark that point with a pen. This 18-click mark represents your 0.25 milligrams dose. When it's time for your weekly dose, start from 0 and rotate the dose selector until you reach 18 clicks. Voila! You've got yourself a 0.25 milligrams Ozempic injection dose. One thing more, the Ozempic 1 milligram pen holds 4 milligrams medication. You'll have enough medication to last 4 months by taking smaller doses, like this. But wait, there's a catch. According to the manufacturer's expiry, you should only use the open pen for 56 days. So, if the medication remains in a 1 milligram Ozempic pen after 56 days, you'll have to discard it. Safety first, my friends. And that's a wrap, folks. You're now a certified Ozempic 1 milligram pen hacking expert. Remember, always consult with your healthcare provider before changing your medication regimen. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who may also require this Ozempic hack. Don't forget to subscribe to Pharmacist Online for more valuable tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment below. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the following video.